Here is what to do if you're having problems scaling helmets. First, you will need an outside caliper. You can download my design from MakerWorld, link at the description. You can print it out fast and easy. With the caliper, you can measure your head dimensions. Simply open the caliper to see the width of your head. Then carefully remove the caliper. Now we have the width of our head. With any kind of measuring instrument, simply measure the width that the caliper holds. My head's width is around 157 millimeters. The next step is to download a dummy head. On MakerWorld, you will find a user called Budwin. At the user's files, you can find a dummy head pack. The pack has a few heads with different sizes. It doesn't matter, just pick one and download it. After you downloaded the dummy head, load it into Bambu Studio. You will see a head like this. Click on the head to set it active, then click on the measure tool. Now we are going to resize the dummy head how we measured our head with the outside caliper. We need to put down 2 points on the head. Try to find the same spot on both sides. I'm using the ear and the eyebrow as reference. Now you can see the actual size of the dummy head. What is gold in Bambu Studio that you can change the size? Just simply click on the edit button and type in your head size that you measured. I measured 157 millimeters. Type in and press enter. The head will be scale up to the size. Great, huh? Now the fun part. Drop in the helmet you want to resize to the perfect size. I always wanted a Batman helmet, so I will show you with this one. There is an assembly view where we can move the objects easily. Click on that. We have the head in our size now. We need to move and scale the helmet to fit well on our head. Click on the helmet, then move it to the dummy head. How we want to wear it when is printed out. In my case, as you can see, the dummy head is bigger than the helmet. The ears and the back of the dummy head is out from the helmet, so we need to scale it up. The nose is out and the chin is tight too. Press return and let's scale it up. You can put away the dummy head. Press the helmet to set it active. Then we are going to use the measure tool again. On the same spots, click on both sides and we can see the actual size of the helmet that we can set. In this case, it's way lower than it should, so with the same process, edit the number. Give it a bigger size from your head size. If you want to put in foam or other materials, you might calculate in them too. The shape of any helmet can be different from your head shape, so we need to go back to the assembly view and we can see live how would it fit with the upscale. Now it looks much better, but still not perfect. We still need to scale a bit. So press return, then press the scale button. You can see that we are now at 5% up. And from now it's playtime with the percentages to make it perfect. After we gave in the bigger size, we go back to the assembly mode to check the fit to the head. It's bigger, but still not good. Let's give it a bigger scale. We are now at 9% up, but there are still parts that not good. The face and the chin is quite good, but the back of the head is still out. We can return and give in more to make it bigger. Now look, the ears and the back of the head is in the helmet now. We have some space in the front, so we need to move back the helmet on the head now. It's quite good, but don't forget that if you make a fully fit helmet, it will squeeze your head and your face will look like you're holding water in your mouth, and that won't give a cool effect. Also, if you plan to put foam in, you need to make it bigger to fit well. Now this is the perfect fit. You can look around, watch the spaces, so you can decide is it okay or it needs more sizing. I'm planning to put in foam to make it comfy, so I will add 1% and I'm ready with the sizing. Great. Now we are almost ready for the printing. Now that it's bigger than my A1's bed, we need to cut, but I don't want to make this too long, so I will jump this part. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my other tutorials about that. And here's the printed result before the sanding and painting. Fits perfect, not too tight, not loose. The parts are welded together. You can find a tutorial about welding too. Thanks for watching.